Cooking with Portia. Whether I'm creating a new challenge and forcing my husband to participate, having crazy mom chat, making all types of meals for you and yours, or I want to try something new. Whatever it is, join me several times a week and let's have fun. So today I'm making a kid-friendly chicken bowl. I decided to share it with you all. I mean, it's simple enough for kids, but still really not yummy. So as you can see, I made my chicken from scratch. You can always buy pre-cooked chicken, boiled eggs, and nicely seasoned rice. I will be posting videos on how to make seasoned rice soon, so look out for that. So as you can see, I'll have the recipe in the bio as well. So I'm searing the chicken. Look how flavorful that looks. Doesn't it look great? So yeah, I'm just chopping it up. You're going to chop it up really roughly. And now that you see the rice is done, oh, look how good that looks. And like I said, it's flavorful enough for adults and still pretty simple and fun for children. And so I think the whole family would love it. And then you cut up some cucumbers, season it with some salt and pepper. I like salt and pepper cucumbers on its own as a snack, but it's always good to add it into the chicken bowl. And so, yeah, you just mix it up and then you chop up those eggs, rough chop. No need to be all, crazy uniformed here. Like I said, a rough chop on that chicken. There you go. And then now it's time to really place. And so I just want to show you a whole set of it. And so you have the lettuce, you mix greens, rice, chicken, cucumbers, chopped eggs. You saw some croutons on the side. Look out for a video on how to make croutons. But yeah, you can get some seasoned croutons, rice, chicken, cucumbers, all of this. And then you kind of, put it all in a bowl together, drizzle it with some honey barbecue sauce, and it's a hit. I'm telling you, everyone's going to love it. It's a great lunch meal. Enjoy.